Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make two tables the same size in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to make two tables the same size. Go to a blank page. Now we want to insert two tables same size. Firstly, go to the tools section and find and select the table tools. Then draw a table to these pages. Now we can see we insert a table. You can increase or decrease the column and row. Now we want to increase the column, select this arrow option, and we can see here the two column you can increase it, otherwise you can increase the row. Select this arrow and you can increase the row, otherwise decrease. Then click outside of the table and choose the move tool. Now we want to make another table same size. Click right button to this table and click copy. Then click right button again and paste. Then move in down, press shift on our keyboard to move the same ratio. Now we can see we make two table same size very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.